Hi guys, Zach with Proline Range Hoods here, and today we're going to be unboxing our PLJW 133 range hood. We're going to take everything out of the box, show you what comes with it, and prepare it for installation so you guys can follow along. So we've gone ahead and taken everything out of the box. We have the range hood obviously itself. It's pretty small. This comes in a 30 or 36-inch size option, so you guys can remove that yourself. We also have the stainless steel baffle filters that come in their own packaging, the mounting bracket that comes separate, as well as the hardware and the manual that you guys can use when you're installing the range hood. We've gone ahead and removed the protective covering from the range hood itself, so now we can see inside and take a look at the dual 900 CFM high efficiency blower encased in the 430 stainless steel range hood itself. The great thing about our high efficiency blowers is it's still going to give you that powerful 900 CFM, but because they're high efficiency, they're going to consume a lot less energy. Now, if we look up from the blowers, we'll have our two LED lights. These are great and last a lifetime. They're very easy to replace if you ever need to. If you're cooking in a low light environment at home, these are going to be a great option for you. We've gone ahead and removed the stainless steel baffle filters from their separate packaging. These are very easy to install. Once you guys remove them, we'll drop it into the grease tray, and it's actually spring loaded, so you guys can place it in the slot that it needs to be in, and then just push down, and it will click into place, and you can do both of them and easily install that. These are great because they're very durable, they're dishwasher safe, and they're very easy to maintain. So we'll get those installed and then we'll move on to the next piece. Now, if we look up from the two LED lights to the front of the range hood, we're gonna see our stainless steel push button control panel. You guys can do everything on the range hood from here, whether that's turning it on and off, turning the lights on and off, and then controlling the 4 speeds, whether that's the highest, most powerful option, or down to the lowest and most quiet setting. And there you guys have it. That's going to be our unboxing for our PLJW 133 range hood. This is one of our most popular models. Again, today we were looking at the 36-inch model, but we also have a 30-inch model. It's super popular because it has a nice rounded back, a curved profile. If you guys want to check this out or any other products, head over to ProlineRangeHoods.com. Don't hesitate to contact our support team, and thank you guys so much for watching.